Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is noun phrase 269. The noun phrase today is crack of dawn. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot? Do it right now. Let's get right to it. The crack of dawn is the very early morning, especially starting right at the instant in which the sun is about to rise. The phrase is believed to have started as the crack of day. So it was the crack of day first, then it evolved into crack of dawn. All right, let's continue. There are a couple of theories about the origin of the crack of dawn. One is that it derived from the word kraken, which actually came from one of the older German languages, meaning a loud noise. The idea is that a loud noise is sudden, and the sunlight appears very suddenly in the morning, thus the crack of dawn. Okay, and we have the second one. The second theory relates to the fact that a crack can also mean a thin, narrow opening or split, which is exactly as it appears on the horizon, in the distance. So if you've ever been up very early in the morning or traveling or in a car as the sun was rising, you see in the distance as that sun is just coming up, and it really does look like a crack in the sky. All right, let's continue. It is believed the phrase first started to appear around the 1800s. One of the earliest citations appeared in 1887 in a magazine called Outing, which had stories about recreational activities, like probably camping, hiking, things like that. Here is the quote. At the crack of day, as the sergeant expressed it, the stir of the camp was started by waking up the cook. Okay, good. All right, and we have 4 examples to show just how we would use it. Here's the first one. You should go to bed early tonight. Tomorrow you need to get up at the crack of dawn to catch a plane. All right. Number 2 here. We partied all night and didn't go to bed or didn't go home until the crack of dawn the next morning. So we say it that way too. All right, number 3. I was woken up at the crack of dawn by a phone call from a friend overseas. Yeah, so a lot of things can happen at the crack of dawn. And number 4, she got up at the crack of dawn to wait in line to buy tickets. Okay. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.